Yeah, Gully Bop son Neko a step up to play a major part in a burial, you know, because it seems like a peer corruption.
Rasta transportation, you know. Rasta transportation to the world. TV, you know. I love me YouTube, Deep Roots TV. Yeah, man. See real roots, them, the man. The real roots.
Yeah, greetings and salutations, yeah, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaican. It's Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning into the Rastaman channel. Help build up the Rastaman panel by hitting that red subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. Gully Bop have a son, I think I'm youngest son named Neko Malcolm, and he's stepping up right now to play a major role in the burial arrangement for his father. Bop's brother, Andrew Chamberlain, highlights Neko comments and the family's readiness to announce the funeral date soon. People have offered assistance. The day that we are going to bury Gully Bop has not been locked in as yet. I spoke to Shauna Chin about the funeral and we came to an arrangement. But as the actual funeral date, the family have not yet locked it in. They have already locked it in already. His son Neko work at one deaf parlour, so him have it locked. Him want to take charge, Chamberlain told Dancehall Mag. Neko was subject of the Amari DJ Mona Lisa song of the same name. He have the date. I just announced we want to announce it. My sister leave the island. When sis forward, we announced it. Neko, the same one who mash up Amari life, and that she said in her song, I'ma do it. Chamberlain said, a big youth who have his kids and everything almost 30 years old, he added. Chamberlain said that Gully Bop squandered his wealth after he got his big break, and he paying little attention to social media options about the family's inability to assist the body specialist DJ with his drug addiction and chronic homelessness when he was alive. Bop never really cared for nobody bury him. We never owe him no obligation as anyone has them own family. When him boss, I was not in the limelight with him. Everybody have family to look after, but a Bop make himself hungry. Me is just a welder youth. I try. What the man make in less than a year, me never make in a me whole life. Bop squander his money when him take drugs. Nobody can talk to him. What can we do? Chamberlain said. Gully Bop, whose real name is Robert Lee Malcolm, died October 31st after a prolonged kidney-related illness. Gully Bop is survived by his kids, Nikki, Debrica, and Neko Malcolm. At the time of his death, the DJ was reportedly living with his mother in Grand Spen, a far cry from his desert heights from the fame he reached between the years 2014 and 16 when he was the toast of the dancehall world. People just talk. Them never understand. He added, we just know what is what. When him ready for burn him weed, him don't want anybody around him. Chamberlain hit out at the social media trolls who have been alleging that he has been riding on Bop's name after the welding amateur singer appeared on CVM's on stage with Winford Williams. Them send me a try ride him name, but me is a welder. Me play sound and me do karate and karaoke, and a long time me a do it. People never know say I'm me brother when them see me a karaoke. Them just feel say me a do Bop song. Them never know say I'm me brother. Him never share the limelight with me, he said. Chamberlain said that he has spoken to Gully Bop's estranged wife, Deborah Nicholson Malcolm. since the entertainer's death, he dismissed any talk of Gully Bop's ex Amari DJ Mona Lisa. Me more understand Shauna Chin than the wife reached out, but why call and you now present yourself? He asked. If we did a wait pan her, all know we would have we wouldn't get the body. She must see a wait pan live stream. Gonna reach out and find out what I want with her still. Gully Bop rose to fame when a video of him freestyling on YouTube made the rounds on social media. From there, the Them No Bad Like Me artist was able to secure a deal with Claims Record and even tour internationally. His fame swept the island and he was featured on Sting. 2014, he eventually split away with Claims Record after they said he had become disrespectful. After that, he encountered a litany of problems which included charges of domestic abuse and robbery. Former girlfriend and manager Amari mariDJMonaLisa accused him of running her down with a butcher's knife and stealing her passport and United States green card. Gully Bop was released on $1,200 US bail. When he appeared in the Brooklyn criminal court, the charge was later dropped after there were rumors that he had lost all his money he had accumulated during his music career, and at one time he was reportedly homeless. His last major brush with the law came a Scardin, where his wife charged him with assault or causing bodily harm in 2018. In a report to Montego Bay, the Morant Bay Police Station, his wife, Nicholson Malcolm, accused Gully Bop of hitting her in the face during a dispute in Nuts River District. Gully Bop was reportedly given 2 years probation in 2019, and she left Jamaica shortly after that. Of course, she frightened, but I just wanted to let you know that Gully, him be a better place than some people. Him don't have no problem. The worms them a start look for him. But me want him know say boy, the worms them not near me yet cause him still in the box. The family them a say boy, we don't need no help. We can deal with it. That's why you have picnic. Because at the end of the day, you could be rich and pretty, but when you're dead, you're gonna be broke and ugly. You guarantee you can't bring it with you. I hear it. So put a little thing to the side. Don't be like these people that is living on life and having a real free ride. Just bust your youth after you down in the crevice and corner, and you know things say you figure put down $150,000 per one cemetery thing, per one package. Pre-buy your package. Artists, who making this thing look like you know a tomatis. All I know are dead broke. When you know dead rich already, just buy 150,000 funeral spot with one package. Matter of fact, the package where the man can come bury you, if you don't have piece of ground for go down in a, make them bury you in a toilet. Ladies and gentlemen, me not tell you no lie, sometimes these things get me so perturbed when the artists them make whole heap of money and when them dead, them leave all of the problem upon them broke family. Subscribe, like and share to the channel. Leave your comment and let me know what you say, because Gully Bop, brother Chamberlain is telling you that him not have no qualms about this situation. When Gully Bop did a rise and a fly high, he was not telling nobody, say come share the pie. So right now, him no want, if you leave no kind of message on social media about him. The wife has not showed up. She says she's scared to show up because they are giving her, the cold shoulder. But a lot of people says the wife should be forking out the money, although Gully Bop mulled her over, because as you said, the Morant Bay Police have the report that Gully Bop thump her in her eye and hold her down and give him 2 years probation. Until she fly out of Jamaica, she know the criminal minds of Jamaican, and now she not come back. Leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen, and leave a comment and big up Neko, because of Gully Bop's son. Because if Neko don't step up, Gully Bop legacy is going to be tarnished. It's a shame when you can't get people to dig a hole and put you in it. Junk run, yam your food.
Now me I say, This is Stash speaking.
Yum your
big
food.
up Deep Root, the top boss,
Literally.
the peanut boss. One big up Carwell. One big up everybody, my friend them, my linky them. Big up yourself, Greg. There, you see it. Peanut man, the boss. Up there.